Today I received 2 drone batteries for vintage drones from a flying friend, asking me to help repair and replace the cells. These 2 batteries were no longer used by the vintage flying friend because they looked scary and swollen like little steamed buns, definitely unusable anymore. After I got them, I started preparing to replace the cells. I plan to replace them with 4500 mAh batteries, which have a much larger capacity than the originals. I had to be very careful when disassembling the grid and couldn't be too impatient. This process required quite a bit of skill, making sure not to damage other parts. After disassembling, I took out the new 4500 mAh batteries and carefully installed them, ensuring every connection was stable and without any mistakes. After replacing the batteries, I was quite looking forward to it. The new batteries would increase flight time significantly. Imagining the drone flying longer in the sky with the new batteries to explore more beautiful scenery felt very rewarding. After finishing the first one, I immediately started on the second. The welding and assembly of the second one were the same as the first, just needing to be a bit more careful. This kind of work can't be careless or rushed, or mistakes will easily happen. A series connection was used here, so the positive and negative terminals must be correctly matched and not reversed during soldering. The cell protection had to be well done by applying protective sheets and ensuring proper insulation to prevent short circuits later. The cells were soldered onto the protection board, then connected to a computer to check the data. If there were no problems, the battery could operate normally for charging and discharging. Tomorrow I plan to check the drone with the replaced batteries again to ensure everything is normal, and hope the flying friend will have a better flying experience afterward.